Okay, I wasn't gonna post this, but 3 weeks in and I genuinely can't not say something. Most blood pressure supplements you're buying, the doses are so low they literally do nothing. I wasted 2 years figuring that out. Every afternoon I'd feel this tension in my neck and chest, like my body was running too hard on the inside. And I didn't even know why. And then someone sent me Clear Flux. I looked at the label, and this time, the ingredients actually meant something to me. Berberine helps your body support healthy blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Garlic and hawthorn, they're both studied for cardiovascular flow. And the vitamin blend ties it all together. Together, same 2 p.m., same desk. No kept going, no tension, no fog. I genuinely didn't think that was possible for me anymore. And it's not just me. I keep getting DMs like this. Over 12,000 people in the US have tried this. They're saying exactly what I'm saying. Links in my bio. And honestly, with their 60-day money-back guarantee, there's zero reason not to at least try it.